Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert page number in Google Docs starting from page 3. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Google Doc. So here it is. Click on insert and here you can see different options. Here you need to add the page number. So here you can see that once we add it and here you can see page number. So let's suppose I want to start from page 3, this one. So you simply need to select that one, but basically you need to go and change each number manually because there is no method that you can use to select one here and all other numbers will be automatically changed. So you need to do all manually by going on to the each page and select the number like this. So this is the only method that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.